perform another maneuver together. Let's watch and wait and see what kind of amazing maneuverability that these DG6s have. And here they go, climbing up one behind the other, moving around, turning around. They are forming what we call the barrel roll, ladies and gentlemen. Why is it called a barrel roll? Because it looks that the aircraft are flying inside of a barrel. They are chasing the inside of a barrel. This is a wonderful maneuver. Very difficult maneuver to complete.
වට පවුරේ මුළු 24 පැය නොනිදන දෙනෙතේ එළියයි සුවසේ යුගයක් එළිය කළේ බලන්දින දවසේ ලක්මවගේ හිසේ සිරුලක් අතින් සෝවේ කරනා සතනේ තහදිය රතුලේ සුවනයි හෙතක් රටේ අන්තිම සටනේ विस्मित वो गमने रंगम्पाना सिंह पुतुंडे वन्निये महकले बलापुरत्तुव रटट ගෙනල්ලා අතදිග සීමාවේ උදායිරක් පායයි අභිමානේ ඔබයි දෙක ජීවේ
Air Force.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see them as watch them closely as they form the silhouette of a helicopter with the tail rotor now operating, going circles, even the main rotor turning. Look at the wonderful illusion that this swarm of drones is projecting to us, ladies and gentlemen.